We knew. We improved. Let me stop. Same bitch. Yeah. We got some new hair. So I let you guys kind of choose my hair color, and I didn't listen per usual, but I kind of listened. I went with black with pink. Sorry, but maybe I'll go full blown pink for my next one if I listen, since I did not listen. Today's hair is brought to you by you guys, so make sure you subscribe to my channel because y'all chose this in my YouTube live video. We went back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. So be sure if you want to curate what you see on my channel sometimes, subscribe so you can see the lives. But yeah, today is just a straightforward video, easy, like beginners proof, updated version as to how I apply my lace wigs, and just me reviewing one of my favorite hair companies on AliExpress, Nadula Hair. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so a lot of times girls be commenting on my videos like, we just realized you're gonna leak. I do get a question that say, how do I like put on my wig? And I swear I do it mad simple, and I realize that I just kind of like speed through it in my videos, but I'm gonna talk you through it as I do it right now, because I swear I make it clear as to what is given. But for those that just want to catch up, if they missed my talk through, here's like an updated version of how I do my wigs. So always what I'm always gonna do is, because I have a smaller head, I put it on the last clasp it has available, you know, the one right before the back end combs. My favorite part about Nadula Hair is that their wigs fit my head perfectly. I don't gotta put no band in it, nothing. You don't have to worry about that. That's the plus with this company in general. That's why I'm reviewing them. The only reason why I choose certain brands is if I know that I would use my own money on it, if that makes sense, you know? So no band, no nothing, you don't need nothing. All you gotta do is cut the lace. If you don't know how to cut the lace, like a couple videos back, I'll just put a little insert as to which video it is, but I'll show you how to cut the lace. But after you have your lace cut, if you cut your lace before you put your wig on, all you gotta do is just slap it on fast, you feel me? Throw that comb back there, okay? And get her aligned. Just stick with me, it's so easy, okay? So obviously you already measured your ear to ear as to where you want it. My favorite part about Nadula Hair is how easy how it colors. I just decided to do the tips of this hair. My hairstylist colored it for me because I'm just grateful to have him back in my life. So yeah, we just doing that kind of moment. Looks a little messy, but just stick with me, we're gonna get it fly. So now that you have got it to who you are, you got the wig to get to know you, you see it, just do a little refining on the lace itself if need be. I'm gonna, if you see me, just cut off an extra little piece right here because she kind of sticking that. You don't need it. Other than that, everything is together. I'm in the process of still like test driving other like bonds for wigs, but what I will do for in the meantime is put this hair up just so we can concentrate on our task at hand. So what you're gonna do now is, if you have alcohol and your face been riding a sweaty train, you're gonna take some of your alcohol and you're gonna put it on a paper towel. The Leo and me was saying my neck feel bare. Now we have a party. Get some alcohol. I got mine off of Amazon because if you know, CVS and other like drugstores is out. I don't know what happened, who clipped the alcohol. I know COVID did, but damn, like, come on, son, like, still, we can't have none. So get that going, get a napkin. Hopefully you did your skincare routine before you even decided to do any of this. Just pull this back for 2 seconds. And just wipe off the front part. There's nothing really on there, but just for safety precaution, not safety, what am I? About to kill somebody? Just for peace of mind that nothing is gonna slide off, you just gonna alcohol that off, you know? So now it's a fresh base, clean, sterile, What I like to do if I haven't used if I didn't spray the lace down and then cut the lace off, I like to use an adhesive, and I get an applicator of some sort. This is an old ass makeup brush that I'm about to use. I use the Got2b, this one. You don't live under a rock. I know you've seen it before. I start in the middle and then I spread it out. And I do it before my hairline. I don't put it on top of my hairline, if that makes sense. It better make sense, because in a stupid gal promise something. You feel me? Get that off like that. You don't want it lumpy. You want to make sure it's smoothed out. If you see gray on your hairline or where you're applying this, smooth it out some more. Don't forget to get down here, because the lace definitely touches right here. Just trying to make sure I have no hairs going underneath the lace or that are seemingly about to go underneath the lace. Which brings us to step 2. You can either wait it out naturally and let it get tacky. When we say let it get tacky, it means not as wet, like not as moist. Right now this is mad moist, I just put it down, but if you let it like subsue and dry, like it's gonna be just like sticky, and you can just put it on there and it won't be as messy, you know? If you are impatient and you don't want to wait for the air to do the work, make sure it's on cool though. Okay, she's looking good, she's looking tacky. Then my preference of choice after that step is to get a rat tooth comb, but the ones that have a metal tail. Make sure like that, lift and sweep to make sure nothing's underneath. Pull forward right onto your glue. Another round of lifting and sweeping for me. Oh, look at that, perfect. Now, if you're a beginner and don't know how to do baby hairs, now is the perfect time to, you know, play with it. Use like a finger to do a little swoop time while it's wet. But you see, all I did was use a finger, a baby hair. Same up here, and use the wet glue or the still moist glue. For any stubborn spots you have, touch up with the freeze spray. So I'm gonna just do over here. It's not stubborn per se, but it's just a sensitive spot. And now, after you have established some ground rules between you and your lace, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. You can use one of them styrofoam things, not styrofoam, but you know what I'm talking about, that them paper looking things at the beauty supply store. You can use one of those, the ones that they use on like short haircuts when you're under the dryer. You can use one of those. At my beauty supply store, they have like a half a do-rag thing. That's how I'm about to use right now. It's playing with me, but it's all right. She gonna know me in a few. Oh no, she got beef. So I don't want to ruin the structure of how effortless it looks. So I'm going to just fold it like this. And this is only to not get makeup, because I'm about to do some makeup real quick on the baby hairs. So, feel me? If you're not wearing makeup, you can also still do this step. This is just to give you, you know, some car insurance on your lace, if you will. So I'm gonna do some makeup and get cute, and we can come back and chat. Okay, we knew, we improved. Let me stop, same bitch. Okay, so I done did my makeup, and let's see what it's given. Woo! We have enough, you know? All right, y'all. But oh, if you're interested in this exact wig, obviously I'm gonna have a description box below, but before you know, if you're lazy and you want to hear it and you're not clicking, whatever, for whatever reason, this is 20-inch Brazilian body wave hair. And like I said, I've worked with Nadula hair before, and y'all seen it was that purple hair that I had that like went from being black and blonde to straight up like rocket power purple. It is one of my favorite hairs to color, especially like it'll take color and won't mess up the quality of their hair. So what I'm going to do is give it a little brush. This is like a rose gold orange looking kind of color, which is fun. It reminds me of Tumblr days, but I'm gonna give this a brush through just because I can. So what we're gonna do, this is my favorite trick to do when I want to give my hair some volume. I turn over first and then brush. This is Taylor's oldest time. But then, after I do some brushing, I use freeze spray to keep the curl. Okay, now it's giving body. Okay now, all right now. But I like how it works both, like push back, you know? Look at that. Look at that. This the lip gloss. Let's transform. Even though I'm about to put on a mask. I can't tell you the last time I wore matte lipstick. Oh my God, look how fantasy we look. Like, hello? Is anybody home? Girl. Love it. Love it. Love this hair company, I swear. This is on my top 5 AliExpress based companies. Is this definitely this hair. Remember, I had the purple hair from them and it was slapping. Like the texture, it's the fit of the wig first and foremost, because that is one of my, like, a loosey goosey wig was never that girl, like ever. She's the girl you never invite. This, you know, this is unfriendly black hottie. This is angst. This is fever. This is, you know, subtle. You could do it too, you feel me? And if you don't like it, chop off the tips. Look how well it took color. Shake her hand. Still soft, still flowy, still bouncy. And I can still push her back this way and give you a whole new movement. It's giving Robin Givens back here. Don't play with me, I'm in boomerang now, okay? Woo! How do we feel about it? Hopefully I helped you throw in a wig really fast and easy. 20 inches is perfect. I'm like, it's not too long, it's manageable, it's lightweight, the curls still look good. Okay, like I didn't even do a tight curl. I think next time I'm gonna do some tight curls. I don't know, don't quote me. Maybe I'll recolor it, maybe I'll do the roots. I don't know, but if you wanted to make sure, if you wanted dark hair that still hold its curl and its texture and its luster at the same time, this is the wig you need. And that's all I have. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Always happy to work with y'all because y'all work with me, period. Look at you. Thank you.
I'm cruising and I'm looking for a top-notch bitch. I can't rock skinnies cause the walk won't fit.